subscribe my channel and press bell icon for the new notifications of new videos. Hey guys, today we are with new topic and today we discuss about 10 important settings of IMO that we use in our phone, and we need to know about these settings in our phone when we are using IMO. So today we discuss about this, and to know about 10 settings of IMO, watch this video till the end and subscribe my channel if you don't subscribe, and just press bell icon and keep watching my videos. Hey guys, Miraj, I welcome you to my channel Tech World Nepal. So first setting of our IMO is change username. So we can just simply change our username of our IMO. So to change this, just click on three lines and then we got setting. Then we just click on username. Then we just put our username of our IMO account. Look, you can just put your username and just click on the tick mark on the right side. So second setting of IMO is hide last seen profile photo or real receipts. So we can just simply hide our last seen or profile photo from our friends. So to hide our profile and last seen, just click on three lines and go to settings. Then we just scroll down and get the option of privacy. Then we just hide our last seen from everyone, my contacts or nobody, and we just simply also change the privacy of our profile photo. We can just simply hide our profile photo from everyone or my contacts or nobody. So third setting of IMO is change phone number. We can just simply change our phone number of our IMO ID. So to change this, we just click on three lines and then we got settings. Then we scroll down and get IMO options, IMO account settings. Then we just simply change our phone number of our IMO account. Then we just put our new number and then just click on right, and then we got a OTP, one time password. Then we just register our IMO account from that number. So fourth setting of IMO is change the username or your name. Changing your name. So we can just simply change our name of IMO ID from the IMO account setting. Then we just click on name, request name change. Then we just put our first name and last name. Then we just click on done. Then our name will be changed in our IMO ID. So fifth setting of IMO is save data. We can just simply save our data when we are using our IMO and when we are downloading photos, videos from our IMO account. So to save data, we just click on three lines and then we got setting option. Then we just scroll down and we got downloading photos and videos. We just click on this. Then we got download photos, videos. We got option Wi-Fi only. When we got Wi-Fi, then only our photos or videos of IMO account will be downloaded. So by this we can save our data in IMO account. So next setting of IMO is change chat colors. We can just simply change chat colors like we do on Messenger. So we change chat colors of our chat with our friends. So we just click on three dots and we got the option of this is the group chat. We just click on the individual chat, then we just click on three dots, then we got chat colors. Then we just simply choose one color which we want to change, like I select this, then the chat color will be changed. So next setting of IMO is go live. We can just go live and chat with our friends who are online and who are connected with us. For this we just click on live, then we got those people who are online and we can just simply chat with them. So next setting of our IMO is IMO cloud storage. So we can just simply add our photos, videos on our IMO cloud storage. But for this we can just pay some amount to IMO to store our photos, videos on IMO cloud storage. So to store on IMO cloud storage, we just click on premium, and we got the option of premium member. We just need to pay $1 to the IMO, and we can just get the space of 25 GB cloud storage from IMO. So next setting of IMO is mute notifications in group. So we can just simply mute the notifications of call and messages in our group we are using IMO account. So to mute notifications in group, we just click on the group, and then we just click on three dot on the right side. Then we got option of mute calls. Then all the calls on the group are muted, and we will not get the notifications of the call in the group of IMO account. So last setting of IMO is delete chat history. We can just simply delete the chat history of our IMO account with our friends. So to delete chat history, we just click on three lines. Then we got setting, we click on setting. Then we scroll down, and we get the option of delete chat history. We just click on this, and we just click on delete. Then all the chat history in our IMO account will be deleted.